In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 10 ways you can make money online as a teenager. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether you're saving up for college or just want to make some extra cash, there are plenty of ways for you to earn money online. So, let's get started. Number 1. Online surveys. One of the ways to make money online as a teenager is by participating in online surveys and paid discussion groups. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up for websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna to start taking surveys and earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can also participate in paid focus groups, where you can earn even more money by giving your opinion on products and services. Number 2. Sell your stuff online. Another way to make money online is by selling your stuff online. If you have old clothes, toys, or gadgets that you no longer use, you can sell them on websites such as eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace. You can also consider selling your own products or crafts on websites like Etsy or Redbubble. Number 3. Online tutoring and freelancing. If you're good at a particular subject or skill, you can offer online tutoring services. You can sign up for websites like Chegg or TutorMe to connect with students who need help. You can also consider freelancing, where you can offer your services as a writer, graphic designer, or social media manager on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Number 4. Affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Do you have a blog or a social media following? Then you can earn money through affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can also consider sponsored posts, where you can get paid to promote a product or service on your blog or social media account. You can as well promote products or services on your website or social media and earn a commission on any sales made through your affiliate link. To get started, you can join affiliate programs for companies in your niche, such as Amazon Associates or ShareASale. You can then promote their products through blog posts, social media posts, or email marketing. Number 5. Creating and selling digital products. Another way to make money online is by creating and selling digital products. If you have skills in graphic design, web development, or programming, you can create digital products such as stock photos, website templates, or software tools, and sell them on websites like Creative Market or Gumroad. You can also consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks on platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindly take a second to subscribe to this channel for more of this video. Number 6. YouTube. If you're interested in creating content on YouTube, you can earn money through YouTube monetization. To be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're eligible, you can earn money through ads that are displayed on your videos. You can also consider partnering with brands for sponsored videos or creating and selling merchandise for your channel. Please note that your progress or success in this depends the type of niche, audience and consistency of your uploads. Number 7. Virtual assistants and online jobs. Are you organized and good at multitasking? Then you can offer virtual assistance services to businesses or entrepreneurs. You can handle tasks such as email management, social media management, or data entry. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Indeed. You can also consider online jobs such as transcription, translation, or content moderation on websites like TranscribeMe, Gengo, or Appen. Number 8. Creating and selling physical products. Do you enjoy creating physical products? Then you can sell them online through websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade. You can create products such as handmade jewelry, clothing, or home decor. You can also consider selling customized merchandise such as phone cases or stickers on websites like Redbubble or Teespring. Number 9. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're good at a particular subject or skill, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services to students. You can find tutoring opportunities on websites like Chegg or TutorMe, or you can create your own website and offer your services directly to students. You can also consider teaching English as a second language to students overseas through platforms like VIPKid or QKids. Number 10. Freelance writing and content creation. Do you enjoy writing? Why not make money from it? You can offer freelance writing or content creation services to businesses or websites. You can find freelance writing opportunities on websites like ProBlogger or Freelance Writing Jobs, Or you can create your own website and offer your services directly to clients. You can also consider creating and selling your own content, such as ebooks or courses. So those are top 10 ways to make money online as a teenager. Remember, making money online requires dedication and patience, but it can be a rewarding experience. Don't be afraid to try new things and explore different opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this.